created your account, one of the first things you need to do is build your audience. So I'm going to click on the Audience tab at the very top. Okay, and you'll notice you have one contact. Okay, so that's going to be yourself. You're automatically added as a client or as a subscriber to your mailing list. So on the right-hand side, you'll see Manage Audience. I'm going to click that and add a subscriber. You can also import all your contacts if you already have them on an Excel spreadsheet. If you have downloaded them from Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, anything else that you're using, you can go ahead and press the import button and upload everybody at once. However, I'm just going to add a subscriber manually. Okay. So you'll see the only required field that I need to enter, all capitals, is the email address. Okay, the rest is not mandatory. However, I do recommend that you at least fill out the first and last name. Okay. I'm not going to fill out the address, and I'm not going to put in a phone number or birthday. However, I'm going to jump down to the tag section. The tag section is where you can start to group your contact list. So let's say you have maybe a group of first-time buyers or a group of investors that you'd like to be sending some pre-construction, new development condos to, you'd like to make a group of family and friends, of previous clients or past clients. You can go ahead and do that here. And the way you're going to do this is type in your group name, press enter, and we've now put this, this client into the investor group. I'm also going to make a second group. You can put them in as many groups as you like. Previous clients. Okay, so now I've got this person in two groups. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. First, I need to check mark this person gave me permission to email them. So this is obviously somebody I know, somebody I've worked with in the past, or somebody who has signed up on my website. So I'm going to click that. And the second box down here, if this person is already in my audience, update their profile. So this helps you if you've accidentally imported the same person multiple times. This will clean up your list and merge the same person together so that they're not receiving multiple emails from you. So I'm going to check that and click subscribe. And perfect, it tells me at the top, mission accomplished, Sutton@realtor.com was successfully added to my audience.